y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the Audio Cat, man. The sun is bright, the sign is gleaming, man. But this is your host Jay Cruz, man. We have a couple beautiful builds here today. But today I'm gonna get you some video, get you guys some content, man. Always thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support that y'all give us, man. And always thank y'all for the love. But this is what we got today, man. We got this 2021 Dodge RT. And we're gonna be doing something a little bit different on this build today. We're installing these lights by MP Concepts. Let me show you what they are. My son is already rocking and rolling, but it's from MC Concepts. And basically what it is that it gets the breather tubes from these cars and adds a light to it. So these are gonna be obviously in white, as you can see the yellow LED in there, but that's gonna be the unit, and they're gonna be going installed into these cubby holes right here on the headlight. So right now my son's gonna be able to, once he gets in there, start doing all the assembly to get these units installed to the car and add it to the factory RT headlight. Stay tuned as he starts. So Isaac, what's the thing you gotta do? You gotta take out the bumper in this car, right? Or you don't know yet? Neighbor, what's going on? Everything good? So I guess he could be able to get it from the back, he's saying right here. So he actually can start getting those little units and start doing an install and get this installed on the back of this car. Stay tuned. Got my son over here right now has already began the installation process of the lights that are going into the vehicle. As you can see, he's still wiring them up. Taking the wire that comes in the back. But basically pretty simple. You get this apart, you remove the cap from the back, you remove the inside from the car, from the front end. You get the part, you screw it in, and then from there we're gonna get the wiring done and get this here. So it's not that hard. If you look at the instructions that are coming from this device, it actually tells you what pins to grab on the lights itself. If you get the instructions from MP Concept, Demon style halo inserts. We did not have to take out the bumper of the car. We do this a lot. We do have to take out the cap, install the tube, do the wiring, and then you'll have this look. This is what it looked like before the installation, and then you're about to see what it looks like after the installation. As you can see, it's already installed there, but it's not lit up yet. So Isaac's gonna get the wiring done on that to get this situated. So on this build here, he's definitely gonna have a fun time, man. Get it installed. It still allows the breathing in the back, but it can allow it to have the lights in the front. So right now, Isaac's in the process of this build. All right, so Mr. Isaac right now is doing the schematic run. He's looking at the wiring to get this done. Is that what you're doing, Mr. Isaac? He says silence. Look, silence! I kill you. He's one shot for the camera, man, but right now he's getting that done. So in a few minutes we should be having this light up and we'll see how it works, man. So let's see what happens. So we thought we didn't have to take out the bumper, but we do have to, because you can't fit the unit through the devices here to get it installed. But he's already got this one installed. Oh, let me get this fixed up here before I break something here. Hold on. So the headlight there is installed. This one's already done. Now I can do the wiring and get installed. I'm gonna give you guys a final update on this build. So yes, you do have to take out the bumper to be able to install the device behind the radio, as the instructions say. We thought we didn't have to, but we did. But a long story short, this could be the effect. I'm gonna show it to you here, man. So, you know what I'm saying? If you kind of have a crazy idea or something you want electronically wise, if you want something customized in your car, wide body kits, wheels and tires, lowering the car, raising a car, lift kits, tracking devices, alarm systems, anything you can think about, man, come check us out here at AUDIOZONE at 1230 North Beltline Road in Irving, Texas. Phone number is 972-513-0111. We always got to give a shout out to all the supporters of this channel. Man, we're on our way to 15K. I still can't believe it, man, but from there, we're going to 20K. We got to keep on doing the best we can to give you guys what you want, man. Always give us a comment below, let us know exactly what you guys are feeling, man. So my son Isaac right now, we're gonna start putting this car, getting the wires together, and we'll have a review for you shortly. All right, on this build, I'm gonna show y'all something. You see this right there? We got the wire in there. Let me show you exactly what happened to it. Now let me turn on the parking light of the car. Come down here, parking lights, and now look what it looks like. Boom. So we had that little beautiful effect inside of the unit itself. So he's getting this whole thing situated right now. He's about to wire this one up. But look what it looked like without it. Look what it looked like with it. So this guy should be very happy when he gets this done. Stay tuned. Now the bumpers in the process are going back on. So right now this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all something here, but this is getting together here, man. Turn on the light sizes so I can give the people a review. So look, parking lights, the parking lights. Parking light. Now you see that ring right there that we installed? Now that's the ring that we installed, so it gives it an effect of the demon eye right from there. We also have it on this side here, and this customer should be very happy with this new build. Stay tuned for the customer reveal. Now they are in, as you can tell, right there in the car. So now I bring the customer so you can take a look at his car and see what happens. Y'all, so you're done. You're about to bring the car to the front. I just want to see what your person gonna be. So what's your name?
Dylan.
And what's your name?
Colin.
And who are you to him?
His best friend.
Best friend, how many years? How long y'all been together?
5, 6 years.
5 years y'all been together?
Ever since
Who, y'all play football?
Yeah, we play football.
Who's the receiver?
None of us.
What do you do?
Linemen. You see us right there? Yeah, we're big boys. We can't be receivers.
Y'all ain't catching what I'm saying, man. I said how long y'all been together. You didn't catch that. And then I said, who's the receiver? Y'all didn't catch that. Just playing with y'all, man. But here, they're gonna show y'all the car here real quick and see what y'all think about your car. So this is the shop, man. It's AUDIOZONE DFW here in Irving, Texas, man. We do it all and more than a little bit. Let's show him his car. There she goes.
Oh yeah.
And now you're seeing what the effect is that you have on your car. So now you see even in the daytime, you see it like, how you feeling about it? Do you like that?
Oh yeah.
Like what you wanted. Now I got a question. Since you've owned this car, have you ever adjusted the fallopian tubes?
Fallopian tubes?
Yes. Have you?
No.
You have a car?
Yeah, I have a car.
What kind of car you got?
A Mazda.
You guys ever race a car? Like you guys ever run on the highway or anything like that?
I have.
Yeah.
Like you don't feel your car slipping sometimes? It just grips and goes? You never get no spin?
Not on the highway.
Like at a 30-40 spin?
Yeah, it spins a lot, but...
That's why you have to get the car. You know, you get a custom alignment done, you got to adjust the fallopian tubes.
Like sitting his mom on the car or something?
No. No, damn, why his mom, man? You don't got a girl, man? Why? That's your girl?
Yeah, that's my girl.
She
That's
faithful?
where all my money goes.
She ain't faithful, because he was just riding her. Man, we're gonna end this video, man. I just want to ask you on the camera, how you feeling about your lights?
I love it, man.
How was your experience today?
It was good. I'm definitely coming back.
And I got a question. You actually got to deal with some Puerto Ricans today. How you feel about that?
Never again.
Yo, we're gonna get this one out the door, man. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching, man. Thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.